Okay, 25 days of Christmas. This shall be fun. I love DIY and I love Christmas. So you guys, let me know what's up. What's up, guys? So today is December 1st, and as you can see from the description, I will be doing 25 days of Christmas. I'm still making the cut. It hasn't hit 12 o'clock yet, so I wanted to do Vlogmas, but then again I want to do more videos instead of vlogging. I haven't gotten into the complete vlogging motion yet, and maybe I might get into it more towards Christmas. So this first video, as you already know, I will be showing you guys how to make this wreath. Baby, this thing looks good. That's going to be the first video. I do have to fill in a few more spaces like here and here, but for the most part I'm done. But I had to get this video out to you guys and I ran out of balls, but I was almost done. I just need a couple more balls and then that's it. So really quick, let me tell you about my 25 days of Christmas. So it started off with this DIY wreath. I also will show you guys how I got this makeup look, because I got a lot of makeup palettes that I got for Black Friday, and then I will break down each one. This one here, the gingerbread palette from Too Faced. So it looks like this, gorgeous. And other videos, like y'all, I am moving, so I have been like completely stressed. I've been trying to pack my apartment. I moved in 3 days, you guys. So I will be showing you guys an empty apartment tour, as well as how I fix my apartment up. And I will show you that definitely before December 25th. I want to do a mukbang. I want to do a workout video. Of course, I still got to do my hair videos just like this. I am promoting this hair. And this here is Lavy hair. And look, y'all, my hair is out. You see that? So this is like a U-part wig. So just click the link down below and I'll show you guys. Oh yeah, I will be showing you guys how I put up my Christmas tree, affordable Christmas decorations. I will be doing a lot of it. Anything that you guys think of, if you want me to do, just let me know. Leave a comment down below. Oh, I want to do a question and answer, so definitely leave me some questions you want me to answer. I might do a couple tags. So I have a lot in store for you guys, and I will be trying to get every video out by 7 o'clock. I know I'm a little late today, first day, but going forward I'm trying to have every video up by 7 o'clock, so be looking out for that. And if anything changes, I'm pretty sure I'll post it on my Instagram, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, definitely follow me for any updates. And my name is BeautyWithTy on Instagram. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get into this beautiful wreath. Like, it is on here, it is so sturdy. Look at these. My ball is not going anywhere. Alright, let's go ahead and get into this wreath, guys. Okay guys, so you want to start off with a styrofoam wreath thing. I got mine from Hobby Lobby and I have some balls, and I did use all of them and still need some more. So I just started to prep it on the ground. That's why I started there. But you want to pull that little piece out and then glue it down. Now you don't want to do it like this, because the middle is all small and then the outside is all big, and then the inside is big little, big little. Y'all, I struggled with this wreath because of the pictures on Pinterest. They just made it seem like you could put any size balls on the outside, any size on the inside. No. Like I said, you want to put the small balls in the inside and then bigger balls all around the outside, and then work your way back in. So I started over 50 million times, y'all. It was so annoying. So here I'm just, so pretty much you want your outer layer to be all big, the second outer layer big, small, the third inner / outer layer is all big, and then you want to finish with the inside of being all small. I hope that makes sense. But like I said in the intro, I didn't completely finish this because I need just like a couple more balls where you can see the green net, and it would have been perfect. Here I'm just checking, make sure nothing is loose, and adding some hot glue. So that's what that was. So I'm just going to go ahead and hang it up, and it looks so good. But I can't wait to put it on my new door. Look at it. Hey, y'all. So like I said, guys, leave me some comments down below and future videos you want to see in the next 25 days for Christmas. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Merry Christmas. See you tomorrow.